Hey, what's up viewers? Welcome back to my channel 𝗟𝗡𝗧𝗥𝗢𝗗𝗪. Today in this tutorial I will show you how can you create Windows 11 RDP in Azure. If you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed, do subscribe and press the bell icon to be updated. So without any further delay, let's start the video. First of all, log in to your Azure portal. You will need an active Azure subscription to create virtual machines. If you don't have, you can check my Telegram channel. I do daily post tricks to get Azure and much more. Now go to the homepage and paste this template link to create Windows 11 RDP. Don't worry, all the links will be provided in the description. Now fill up the RDP details. You can choose any region you like. Here I am selecting the nearest location for good response speed. For virtual machine size, I am selecting 16 GB RAM 4 cores, as I have $100 Azure credits. You can choose your one according to your Azure credits. Now fill up the username and password and follow my steps. I also do daily giveaways of student emails, RDP servers, and much more in my Telegram channel. You can check my channel, link will be given in the description. So, now our virtual machine is under deployment. It may take up to 4 to 5 minutes to create our RDP. So, here our RDP is successfully created. Sometimes you may get some errors like cores quota limit reached. In that purpose, just click on delete deployment and create it from starting in a different region. Now, copy the IP and connect to your RDP using the username and password, which you set while creating the RDP. So here is our Windows 11 RDP. It will take few seconds in first boot. This is how we can create Windows 11 RDP in Azure. It looks really cool. Let me show you the activation status. If you got any errors while creating the RDP, you can comment below or contact me through Telegram. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. Meet you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.